Hello everyone, I'm Shelly. Welcome to the Bettersize lab. The angle of repose and angle of fall are important factors determining powder's flowability. In this video, I will demonstrate how to use the PowderPro A1 to measure the angle of repose and angle of fall and calculate the angle of difference. The PowderPro A1 is controlled by the app Powder Tester. Let's start with measuring the angle of repose.
First, click New Test to create a database. Fill in the file name, sample name, operator, and other information. Angle of repose will be automatically achieved during angle of fall measurement. Click Angle of Fall. Click Options, and set measure times, feeding speed, and feeding duration as required. Install StockPan Platform C03 for angle of repose and angle of fall. Install Platform C02 for angle of repose and angle of fall. Install Funnel Clip C12 onto feeding assembly. Click Start Measure. Then use a sample spoon to drop the sample through a vibrating sieve and feeding funnel above the angle of repose platform. Then click Start Feeding. Keep feeding until it gradually forms a powder cone. Stop feeding when a symmetrical sample powder cone is formed on the angle of repose platform and there is powder falling around the platform. Click Measure First to end the electromagnetic vibration. The system will automatically shoot an image and calculate the angle of repose and the angle of fall. Click Complete first, click Save, and click Quit to complete the angle of fall measurement. It is recommended to repeat the test for 3 times to calculate the average value. For angle of difference calculation, click Angle of Difference. The results of angle of repose and angle of fall measured before will appear on the screen. Click Calculate and the system will automatically calculate the angle of difference. Click Save to save the results, and click Quit to complete the angle of difference calculation.
The PowderPro A1 has the ability to measure the angle of repose and angle of fall easily and accurately. Also, the Powder Tester app can automatically calculate the angle of difference based on the collected angle of repose and angle of fall data. This intelligent instrument saves your time and helps you analyze the properties of powder materials. The next video will be about the demonstrations of measuring the angle of spatula of powder materials. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned by subscribing to the Bettersize channel so that you won't miss any updates. See you next time. Bye!